This Mercy Johnson gist, he don't tire me. I don't know if we don't tire anybody, but for me, he don't tire me. The one will break the comments back now. Waiting Angela talk for this video now. The thing where she talk will shock you. Make her play the video. Make we listen to what she talk.
Hey, that house boy went in the use. They call that rubbish. Your brain is.
Did I just hear Angela calling Mrs. husband a handbag, or my ear paining me? Hey God, Angela Okorie which one be say Mrs. Johnson tie her husband for inside calabash? Allegedly, I don't did there. Angela Okorie don't come and they call Mrs. Johnson again with her full chest, and this time around she don't join the husband. Say the husband na handbag. Say she will continue to be a handbag till he buy. So na handbag he will continue to be. I can't the one that say Angela Zukwani Kebikono, people you are referring to are trying to drag, no send you. Mr. Johnson know they reply you. The husband self know they reply you. So make you rest, Kwan. This thing don't they turn as if you don't they kolo. Because when somebody they talk to his or herself, now kolo mental, the person the person need to be taken to the kolo mental house where they examine the brain. I beg, rest. Zukwani, we don't tire. Okay, we don't tire. Even though anything where you don't talk now,
I am not tarnishing the image of Mrs. Johnson. I call her with my full chest. And anybody I call them with my full chest. Because first of all, put our two together, make you know who's supposed to talk against each other. That's what I didn't. That's when they never finish with body odor.